Frequent flyer flies, la 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 la. Frequent flyer is back.
What's up? You checking out the Frequent Flyer, and this is the DM003, arguably one of the best flying micro quads ever made. And I know you guys probably wondering, how come I hardly ever show this guy on camera? And it's just because this guy, it'll fly for me some days, and then some days it won't. So I never know when I'm going to be able to fly this guy. And it just so happened that today I was able to get it to power up. It's so old, I don't know what's wrong with it. I'll fly it fine one day, and then the next day it won't fly, and I won't be able to fly this thing for up to a week, and then it'll start acting right. And this guy would start flashing now to give me a low battery warning now that I'm doing the video. So I'm going to swap out the battery, and hopefully this guy will connect to the transmitter again. Okay, so she's playing nicely today. I'll get to show you guys how awesome she is. Check her out. Kind of windy out here. So you can see her getting bounced around by the wind. I guess I won't fly too far out there. Check her out. You can do some really nice funnels. So this thing is awesome. The lights glow right through the bottom, and the body is jet black, it looks like, but it's transparent black. Whoa. Always awesome doing some flying with obstacles in the way. I think the danger of wrecking it is the rush. Yeah, she's playing real nice today. Oh! Good thing she crashed up here on the deck. Don't look like the crash is too bad. Let me check the props, make sure the props are on tight. Give you guys a better look at her. Check her out. Awesome design. Just all black, transparent, and the lights glow right through the body. Get her back up in the air. Who knows when she's going to start acting funny again and not let me fly her. Once I get it fired up though, it usually doesn't stop mid-flight session, but the next battery it probably would just not turn on again. It is flown with deviation. Flying it on the freeing choice protocol, but some of the channels are reversed. Can't remember which channels are reversed though. Let me see if I could get her to do a flip for you guys. For you guys who like to see flips, there she is. Check her out. Do a backwards flip. Oh, I did a side flip again. Let's try it again. Here we go. Forward flip. Oh, might not have been able to see that forward flip. Let's try it again. Here we go. She's an awesome flyer. Can't really get her anymore. We're going to bring it down for a landing. The DM003. Kind of finicky. Doesn't want to fly for me all the time. Awesome nevertheless. Thanks for watching.